Hello guys, so it is about 7:30 a.m. and we are headed out to Plane Spot at Boston with my friend for the day. I'm really excited. Go and check out his YouTube channel. It's called Perky Salvage 3. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna be leaving to Plane Spot at Boston. We're supposed to see a lot of planes, so I hope you enjoy. On our way to Boston, here's Perky Salvage 3. Here's Creeped Out. Woo! Guys, we're here at the place. We're gonna film some planes. This is gonna be awesome. Delta flying over. It's Delta.
That is Frontier right there, guys. That is so cool. If you guys can see the seats from the
United 592 going to Newark. It's an A319. Enjoy. Newark. We have a JetBlue plane going to Las Vegas. It's an A321. Bermuda Air going to Bermuda. This is crazy.
That is a Bermuda Air. I have never seen that before. That is cool.
Here we have Spirit 3802 going to San Juan. The race to San Juan is on because here's Delta. I mean
Awesome.
JetBlue 1061 to San Juan. Enjoy it. Okay, so here we have Delta 2036 going to Nassau. Guys, here we have Spirit 1157 to Myrtle Beach, and that is a A320. Enjoy. Yeah, good Spirit for Spirit. Woo!
Oh, what is that like?
Ooh, it's a special livery for Spirit, guys. That's a special livery. Okay, and here we have a JetBlue going to Orlando. Woo! So here we have Delta going to Seattle. That's an A321.
Delta.
Here we have Southwest 3048 going to Chicago Midway. All right. Guys, here we have some sort of Allegiant plane. Sarasota will be another A320. Here we have JetBlue 2231 going over to New York LaGuardia. It's an E175. Delta A330 just landed over there. It's by the tower right now. And it just landed, coming in from, I don't really know where it's coming from actually. All right, here we have Frontier going to Philadelphia. American 2247 going to Miami. Enjoy.
Okay, so this is an American 2247. Yes. Pick it up. That's
Okay, so for some reason Korean Air is taking off over there, but it's right under the city and it's taking off. Man, come on.
Okay, guys, unfortunately, Korean Air is taking off from over there. So we won't have the best view.
Landing over there, guys, is Iberia Airways coming up from Rome, I think. You can sort of see it landing over there. We'll get some more coming our way in just a sec. All right, here we have a JetBlue. I hear it from over here, guys.
JAL.
Japan Airlines. You can barely see it, guys. Watch it, guys. It's gonna disappear. You know what? It's actually not gonna disappear.
Oh wait, no, it's not. Going right over.
We have United 2477 going over to Houston. It's a 737-9 MAX. Enjoy. Here we have a Spirit, guys. Do not know where that's going. I think Norfolk, maybe. Here is Delta 322 going to Atlanta. Enjoy it. JetBlue 831 going to New York LaGuardia, and that's an E190.
Let's go JetBlue.
Yeah, JetBlue. Here we go. It's an American E175 going to Washington, D.C., I think. JetBlue, and this one's the one that's going to DCA. Here we have Iberian 6165 from Madrid, all the way from Spain over there, and here it is. It looks like Emirates from a long distance, but it's really Iberian. There it is. Hey guys, that was an amazing full day of plane spotting. I hope you enjoyed the plane. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did. Also, like and subscribe to Perky Salvage 3. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.